Hi YouTubers, JDCap26 here. I just do the repair and tips, and we're actually painting. And when you paint detail, you can airbrush, you know, this area over here, the big area. You can airbrush and put your layers of paint in. But when you want to do detail, you want to use a small brush, even smaller than this. And I'm going in with a lacquer paint over doing these little parts right here, and to get this fine detail. Um, if you're super good with an airbrush, you could probably do this. I'm not, so I usually go in combination of airbrush and hand paint. So I just hope this helps you, and get yourself a small set of artist brushes, fine ones, and you'll be surprised how much detail you can put on um, any project when you're painting. You want to get one of these also. Get yourself a fan brush like this, and you can do some nice washes with that. Just wanted to show you that, and I hope you're having a nice day. And yes, we're doing modeling now and some painting. It's very relaxing, and I hope you ring the little notification bell and watch this progress. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.